Hello travellers, today we're taking a look at the Outliers Supermarine cotton cap, and that's here in the anthracite colour. So what makes this cap special compared to other cotton caps, you might be asking? It's made from a windproof, very breathable and highly water resistant fabric which Outlier calls Supermarine cotton. And I'll get into a few details on why that's so special in a moment. But of course, links to buy this are down below, and do hit that subscribe button to keep up to date with future videos. Supermarine cotton is basically an updated version of a special type of cotton fabric which was developed during World War II. It's windproof, water resistant and very breathable. It's made from 100% cotton fibers that are woven together in a complex weave that swells up and seals when exposed to water. Outlier's version of this fabric is updated with a light, durable, water-resistant coating too to give it a very water-resistant construction. I tested out the cap in heavy rain and wasn't able to wet it enough to penetrate through the fabric at all. It felt very comfortable and breathable even while wearing it on hot days and during my hikes. Usually I'm not much of a hat or cap person, but I have to say that this is one of the most comfortable caps I've worn, and it has a style that doesn't look too awkward on me. I also have this flex fit cap which I customized with the Packing Less logo from Zazzle, and links are down below if you'd like to pick one up for yourself. But the fit looks a little bit awkward on me compared to the Supermarine cap. Both caps I'm wearing are in the MXL size, and my head is about 58 centimeters or 22.8 inches around. And you can use the cam lock adjustment on the back to get a tighter or looser fit depending on your preference. So speaking of the style, I do like the design of this cap a lot. I like that it doesn't have the little button on the top, which I often find gets in the way and is a little bit annoying on other hats. I also like the brim shape. The cam lock adjustment is a nice touch, and the excess cord can be tucked into the seams to give it a nice clean overall look with no dangly bits. The hat also doesn't have any bulky internal structuring too, so it's very easy to flatten out and pack it into a bag for travel. I also love the anthracite grey colour, and it matches almost anything that you pair it with. I'm actually wearing the Outlier ultrafine merino wool t-shirt here, and links are down below. There's also a large selection of other colours of the hat available on Outlier's site, so be sure to go ahead and check those out if you are interested. Finally, the price is certainly on the higher end for a cap at $75 US, which is about 125 Australian. But given the special material and the comfortable design and the excellent selection of colours, I think that it is worth it for a kind of do-it-all cap for a lot of situations. Whether it's to protect you from the rain or the sun, or even just a casual style upgrade. I'd definitely recommend checking it out. So that's it, thanks very much for watching. Be sure to leave a comment down below of what is your favourite cap for travelling, or if you're using a different kind of hat, or if you even take a hat at all. And be sure to stay subscribed to keep up to date with future videos.